In the vast digital landscape, search engines guide users to the information they seek. This is where XML sitemaps come into play. An XML sitemap is a roadmap of your website, providing search engines with a clear guide to all your important pages. A well-structured XML sitemap is crucial for any website aiming to improve its search engine optimization or SEO. XML sitemaps are a fundamental component of effective SEO. They play a crucial role in improving the visibility of your website to search engines, leading to better rankings and increased organic traffic. By providing a clear and structured guide to your website's content, sitemaps help search engines understand the organization and hierarchy of your pages. One of the key benefits of using an XML sitemap is improved crawling. Search engine crawlers, also known as bots, use sitemaps to discover and index new content more efficiently. Another important advantage of XML sitemaps is enhanced indexing. By providing detailed information about each URL, such as the last modification date and frequency of changes, sitemaps help search engines prioritize the indexing of important pages. This ensures that your most valuable content is readily available to users searching for relevant information. Creating an XML sitemap for your website can be a simple and straightforward process, especially with the help of plugins. Many popular content management systems, or CMS, offer plugins specifically designed for generating and managing XML sitemaps. For WordPress users, the Yoast SEO plugin is a popular choice. This plugin automatically generates an XML sitemap for your website and keeps it updated as you add or remove content. Another popular WordPress plugin for XML sitemaps is Google XML Sitemaps. This plugin offers similar functionality to Yoast SEO, automatically generating and updating your sitemap. For websites built on other CMS platforms, there are often similar plugins available. Check your CMS documentation or plugin directory for options specific to your platform. If you're not using a CMS or prefer not to use plugins, you can generate an XML sitemap using online tools. Several websites offer free XML sitemap generators that can quickly create a sitemap for your website. One popular online XML sitemap generator is xml-sitemaps.com. This tool offers a free service that can generate sitemaps for websites with up to 500 pages. Another option is Screaming Frog SEO Spider, a desktop application that offers a free version with limited functionality. Screaming Frog can crawl your website and generate an XML sitemap, along with other valuable SEO data. When using online generators, be sure to review the generated sitemap for accuracy and completeness. Some generators might miss certain pages or include unwanted URLs. It's important to ensure your sitemap accurately reflects the content you want search engines to index. While using plugins or online generators is the easiest way to create an XML sitemap, you can also create one manually. This involves writing the XML code yourself, which can be time-consuming and requires some technical knowledge. However, it gives you complete control over the structure and content of your sitemap. To create a sitemap manually, you'll need a text editor and a basic understanding of XML syntax. The sitemap should begin with the tag and include a tag for each URL you want to include. Within each tag, you'll need to specify the URL itself, the last modification date, the change frequency, and the priority. These elements help search engines understand the dynamics of your content. While manual creation offers maximum control, it's generally recommended to use plugins or online generators unless you have specific requirements or advanced technical skills. These automated methods are much more efficient and less prone to errors. Maintaining a clean and up-to-date XML sitemap is crucial for optimal SEO performance. A well-maintained sitemap ensures that search engines have access to the most current information about your website, leading to better crawling and indexing. One important best practice is to keep your sitemap clean and free of errors. Avoid including broken links, redirected URLs, or pages with noindex tags. Regularly check your sitemap for any issues and fix them promptly. Regularly update your sitemap as you add or remove content from your website. This ensures that search engines are aware of the latest changes and can index your new content quickly. Most sitemap plugins and generators offer automatic update functionality, simplifying this process. Limit the number of URLs in your sitemap, especially for large websites. For very large websites, consider creating multiple sitemaps and submitting a sitemap index file. This helps manage the scale and keeps your sitemaps manageable. Submitting your XML sitemap to Google Search Console is a crucial step in ensuring that Google can easily discover and index your website's content. Google Search Console is a free tool provided by Google that allows website owners to monitor and manage their website's presence in Google search results. To submit your sitemap, log into your Google Search Console account and select the property for your website. Then, navigate to the Sitemap section in the left-hand menu. Enter the URL of your sitemap and click Submit. Google will then process your sitemap and begin crawling the URLs listed within it. After submitting your sitemap, you can track its status within Google Search Console. This allows you to monitor how many URLs from your sitemap have been indexed by Google and identify any potential errors. Regularly checking your sitemap status helps ensure that Google is properly indexing your content. Keeping it updated ensures Google has the most current information about your website's structure. Submitting your XML sitemap to Bing Webmaster Tools, log into your account and select your website. Then navigate to the Sitemap section. Enter the URL of your sitemap and click Submit. Bing will then process your sitemap and begin crawling your website's URLs. Bing Webmaster Tools also provides tools for monitoring your sitemap status and identifying any potential errors. By submitting your sitemap to both Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools, you ensure that your website is easily discoverable by the two major search engines. This increases your website's visibility and helps drive more organic traffic. While creating and submitting an XML sitemap is generally straightforward, you might encounter some common issues along the way. Understanding these issues and knowing how to troubleshoot them can save you time and frustration. One common issue is incorrect XML syntax. Even a small typo in your sitemap file can prevent search engines from processing it correctly. Always validate your sitemap using an XML validator to ensure it adheres to the correct syntax. Another common problem is submitting a sitemap with URLs that return 404 errors or are redirected. Regularly check your sitemap for broken links and ensure all URLs are accessible and return a 200 OK status code. Including URLs with noindex tags in your sitemap can also cause confusion for search engines. Noindex tags tell search engines not to index a particular page. Avoid including URLs with noindex tags in your sitemap to prevent conflicting signals. This maintains consistency in your instructions to search engines. For larger websites or websites with specific content types, there are some advanced XML sitemap considerations to keep in mind. For websites with large numbers of images, consider using an image sitemap. Image sitemaps provide search engines with detailed information about your images, including captions, titles, and licenses. Similarly, for websites with video content, a video sitemap can enhance the discoverability of your videos. Video sitemaps provide information about your videos, such as titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. For websites with content in multiple languages, using hreflang tags in your sitemap can help search engines understand the language targeting of your pages. Hreflang tags specify the language and region for each URL, allowing search engines to serve the correct version of your content to users based on their language and location. Implementing these strategies can provide additional benefits. XML sitemaps are an essential tool for any website aiming to improve its SEO performance. They provide a roadmap for search engines, making it easier for them to discover, crawl, and index your website's content. By following best practices and keeping your sitemap updated, you can significantly enhance your website's visibility in search results. Implementing an XML sitemap is a simple yet powerful step that can have a significant impact on your website's organic traffic. Regularly maintaining and updating your sitemap is crucial for long-term SEO success. As your website evolves and new content is added, keeping your sitemap current ensures that search engines always have access to the most accurate information about your website's structure. By incorporating XML sitemaps into your SEO strategy, you lay a solid foundation for improved search engine rankings and increased organic traffic. Make it a priority to create, submit, and maintain your sitemap to unlock the full potential of your website's visibility.